Your goal is to sell product to a food retailer. They require a robust food safety process in your organization that protects the brand and their name. What are the potential risks to your product and process, incoming materials, and the supply chain? Food safety is a critical component of a successful retailer-supplier trading partnership, and you need an approach that satisfies a buyer's concerns. I'm excited to announce the launch of the new SQF Fundamentals Program. The SQF Fundamental Codes were developed using the GFSI Global Markets Toolkit. That toolkit meets retailers' and buyers' requirements for small and medium food producers. The SQF Fundamentals for Manufacturing and Primary Production provides the essential requirements for building a robust food safety management system. This program can assist you as you create a culture of food safety at your site, including the implementation of a written food safety plan and good industry practices. For more information on GFSI and the GFSI Global Markets Program Toolkit, please visit the GFSI website at mygfsi.com. The Fundamentals program is in two separate codes, Basic and Intermediate. Both programs include essential food safety requirements. However, Basic SQF Fundamentals focuses on developing good implementation tools for food safety, and Intermediate SQF Fundamentals builds on the basic code, including implementation tools, and adds more requirements regarding documentation. Food safety is a continuous improvement journey, and your retailer or buyer may not want you to stop once you have achieved fundamental level certification. The SQF family codes were built to assist you as you improve your food safety management system. The SQF Basic and Intermediate Fundamentals codes align with the full set of SQF food safety codes, including the section headings and numbering, easing you into a food safety management system that is fully benchmarked to GFSI. We are very excited about our new program, and we've spent countless hours getting stakeholder feedback and developing free resources and training to help you succeed in the next step of your food safety pathway. For more information and to download a free copy of the code, visit sqfi.com.